Hey y'all, and welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we have a Boxycharm versus Boxyluxe, and I'm so excited. I know we're at a new location. I'm at my parents' house right now, so that's why we're outside. And if this turns into a crap video, I apologize now, and we'll learn from our mistakes and we won't do this next time. But since I'm here, I have my Boxyluxe and Boxycharm. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I do lots of unboxings here. I also do spoiler videos, so click the subscribe button, click, go ahead and do it. Great. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So we're gonna start out by unboxing the regular Boxycharm. So I'm pretty excited. It's my mom's box that I pay for, but I get to keep the stuff for it because she's just doing it for me. So that's why I'm here, and that's why I'm doing this video. So we're gonna open up the regular Boxycharm now. Stop it. Stop it.
I took a picture of you videoing.
Oh my god. So what is in this month's Boxycharm? So
oh, I'm so excited to see.
Oh, I need this card to like.
I know, it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees out here.
But yet I'm wearing jogger sweats.
Tennessee heat. Tennessee
like
heat.
98 degrees.
Oh.
Okay, so this card is all access. It's gonna tell me everything that I got in the box. And if I have any duplicates, I will be doing a giveaway in the future. So
hey, guess what? We have charisma.
Okay.
Mom-daughter charisma.
So the first thing in here is the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder, because there was a code to get this if you got a Boxyluxe. So I have another one of these, which I'm excited about because I really like this powder and I want my mom to feel it.
Well, at least it's full. Is it full? Kinda? Oh, well, it's way better than that other stuff.
Oh yeah, it's this one definitely has much more product in it than the Ciate London one.
Yeah, that was kind of rough.
All right, come here.
Okay.
I want you to feel how this powder feels on your skin. Hold on, let me touch it.
Oh, it's kind of a wet feeling, unless I'm just sweaty.
No,
that feels good. It's very moistury. Ooh, yeah.
It feels wet, but it's not. Imagine that on a. Well, you now look like you do cocaine, so.
Under my eye, come on.
No, it's closest to your nose. That's why it looks like you do cocaine.
But it felt good when you touched me with it. It was very. When you hit my face with the powder, I could feel the moisture in it. That I like.
Okay, so anyways, that's what we got with the little like sign up promo. The next thing and that one was a retail value of I think like $29 or $30 something. Wow. I can't remember. I think it was 30. I don't remember. But anyways, the next thing in here is the Moda Pro by Royal and Lang Nickel 5-piece deluxe eye kit. 100% vegan brushes. So that's pretty cool. I love getting brushes.
Vegan, what does that mean? No animal product involved or something? I mean, of making it? Or
yeah, they're natural.
Oh,
these feel
those
nice.
Are pretty.
Oh, they feel nice too.
Those are pretty.
Ew, and they're kind of.
Yeah.
Ooh. These are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are really, really cute. They're matte. Feel these brushes. Feel them.
Very nice.
Feel the handle though. The handles feel nice.
Oh, you can hold them. They got texture to them, so you can get a good grip.
So
I like that.
The retail value on these brushes is $27.95. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. The next thing in the box is from Hank & Henry, and this is the Slick With It Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. So that's exciting.
Never was into liquid eyeliner. I like pencil.
You're gonna have plastic all over your porch.
And you're gonna clean it up.
Okay, so here is what it looks like. Whoop! So nice, so slick.
Oh, it looked like oh, you know what? That almost looks like the Amazon smile.
I don't even know what that means. It's not, it doesn't even really look like black. It kind of looks like it has a hint of brown to it, but you know, what ifs. And the retail value on that is $20. My mustache is really sweaty.
You wanted to do this outside. Yeah.
Ooh, the next thing in here is a Laura Geller. What is this? A baked gelato swirl illuminator in gilded honey.
Ooh, it looks like it's good enough to eat.
Mom!
It says gelato. I love gelato.
Be quiet.
I love you.
So here it looks like you're gonna be hypnotized or something.
No.
So here's a swatch.
Car peasant.
Rude. Can't you drive somewhere else?
That's very pretty.
This is not going to be a good highlight for me, but it would be a good eyeshadow topper, so there's that.
Let me see it. Has it got glitter to it?
No, it doesn't. That's just the metallicness.
Okay, that's what I meant. I like that.
And the retail value for that is $26. The next thing in the box is from Dr. Brandt, which is a very expensive skincare brand, and this is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Wow, words are words are hard today. Yeah, this is a recovering sleeping mask. Recovery sleeping.
Oh my goodness, it's the heat.
I think it's because it's hot. Recovering sleeping mask. So this is what this little baby is right here. You just apply the mask to the skin, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse and use nightly. There's 1.7 ounces in here.
So you wear it all night?
Yes, Mother, you wear it all night. It's a sleeping mask.
I don't know if I could do that.
It smells good.
Mm.
You know, smell it?
Smells good.
And the retail value on this little guy is $52. Which makes sense because Dr. Brandt is very expensive. My God, it's hot. I can't wait to go home. And the last thing on the box is from Violet Voss, and this is the Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette, which I wanted to get so bad. Oh, yes. Here is what it looks like. It has the best fall colors ever. So I'm pretty excited to play with this fall palette. And yeah, the retail value on this is $29. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this and I can't wait to play.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's hot as balls out here today.
It is hot as balls out
it's
here.
It's 97 degrees with a heat index of like 105. And
Wait.
you wanted tape out here with Andrew riding his tractor in the background.
Excuse me, you wanted him to ride his tractor in the background. And number two, I say hot as balls, so now you're copying me. Ow, I just hit myself.
We have charisma.
Why do you keep saying we have charisma?
Because?
Like Charisma Carpenter from Buffy the Vampire Slayer? Okay, so now we're going to open up the big boy right here, and don't forget, if I have some duplicates, I will be having a giveaway in the future with those items, so stay tuned for that. So let's see what we got in here. Again, the card, I have version 5L. Did I tell you what version the other one was? No. The other one was 2. Okay, the other one was 2, and this one's 5L, so this is going to tell me everything I got in the box. And look, we have a repeated item, so that's going to go in the giveaway. Woohoo!
Was that in the first box?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So you'll be getting the, well, we'll talk about it in the future. We'll talk about it in the future. So we got the Violet Voss Essentials palette again. The next item in the box is the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. This is the Chisel palette, which hopefully these shades will work with me. They didn't look like they would online, but we'll see. Random piece of cardboard. So here it is. It looks so pretty. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Okay, let's open it up. And here we go. Actually, I think these shades will work really well for me.
I love them.
Oh,
they're so pretty.
Oh, that
Is
smells.
that like snake or alligator skin, kind of like the outside of it? Ooh, that's nice.
It smells like chocolate too.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think that pretty much all these shades would work really well for me, and if I find out that they don't, they can also be, you know, eyeshadow shades, whatever. Smell this.
Oh, I love these shades. I'm into the dark.
It's a
Oh my gosh, that smells good. It's like I want to eat them. They smell chocolatey, like a box of candy.
And the mirror says it chiseled like a diamond. This is a contour palette, Mom.
Okay.
It's, you do the
I'm
bronzer.
not a makeup person, you know me.
It's a contour palette.
Okay, put me out in the woods, I'm happy, no makeup.
So the retail on this bad boy is $45. So we have another repeat item. This is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask, which we were all going to be getting these in our boxes anyway, so this is going to go into the giveaway in the future. And another repeat product is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Lickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. This will be in the future giveaway as well. So I can already see the last products that are in my box, and I just have to say I am so excited that I did not get that stupid freaking water bottle. This is not a FabFitFun box. This is a beauty skincare box. So I'm just like so glad I didn't get that freaking water bottle, and I know a lot of people are glad that they didn't get it either if they didn't get it. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. I'm glad I didn't get it. So the next thing in the box is from Sunday Riley. This is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, and you all know this is a very ridiculously expensive brand, and I'm so excited to smear this all over my face. And this has a value of $65. So and this is actually really heavy too. Did you just say you wanted it?
Anything to hydrate my face.
Ooh.
You get a certain age and that's all you want is to hydrate your face.
Here, put some, it smells like avocado or something. No, not avocado, cucumber. Here, Mom, smear some on your face. Is it nice? Cucumbery, huh?
Yeah.
So it's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing, dewy skin. 2 forms of advanced hyaluronic acid infused water into the skin, gently refining papaya enzymes, smooth the look of textured or dehydrated skin for a baby soft complexion. And alpha arbutin, I don't know how to say that, brightens the appearance of discolorations for clear radiance. Ooh, she's putting it on her arms now.
Well, it was on my hand. It soaks in really quick too, and it feels so good.
So I'm excited to give this a whirl.
It's not sticky or anything either.
Yeah, Sunday Riley is an expensive brand, and
like
they're in
that.
these boxes a lot.
That's nice.
And the next item, I'm kind of excited. Hold on, let's wait for them to. And this next item I'm actually pretty excited about because this is from IGK, and it's the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. My hair is disgusting all the time, so this is going to be great for that. And IGK is such a nice hair brand, like really nice. I'm just excited about this. And the value of this is $29, which makes sense because all their hair products are expensive. And there's coconut oil in here too. So yeah, it's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. I have greasy hair anyway, so I probably would wear this when I'm not going to go out in public. So yeah. It doesn't have a safety seal on it either, which I hate, but it smells really good. You'll smell it?
Oh, that does smell good. That smells very good.
Another thing is I'm excited that this doesn't have butt liquid smell all in the box like my Ipsy box did.
What?
I had some weird mystery liquid that smelled like butthole. Just saying. Mom, where are you going? I have 2 products left.
Just a minute.
The next item in the box is a Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Rubino. So this is exciting. I've never owned anything from Stila. Mostly because I kind of think it's like a boring brand, if I'm being honest. Oh, this is going to be so pretty for fall. It's such a nice red shade. Oh, yep. This is going to be so nice during the fall. I'm not sure if this is like my shade, Oh, it smells good. It's kind of dark, but we'll see how it looks in the future. And the retail value on the lipstick is $22. It's vampy.
I was gonna say it looks like blood red.
It's an ear extension. No. Okay, so the last thing in the box is the Sutra 32 millimeter clipless curling iron with cool tip. So that's exciting. Mom keeps doing the Owen Wilson over here going, wow, wow. Whoop. So here's the cord. Oh, and if you, oh wait, warranty and safety card, use Boxy25 for 25% off. Okay, so here is the curly wand. Woo! It's super nice, super cute. It has one of those swivel things, so you're not like, you know what I'm talking about when your cords start just like twirling and twirling and twirling. Well, it's got a detwirler, you know. But anyways, it doesn't have like a temperature setting, which kind of sucks. So yeah, but you know, it's cool. I don't actually have one this thick. I have one that's like thinner, so I'm kind of excited about this one because it's different than the one that I already have. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And the total value of this product is $65. Also, I want to add that it kind of sucks that they don't include like one of the gloves with it, but that's okay because I have a few gloves at home for curling iron, so it's not a big deal. But if you don't have a curling iron and you get this, it's gonna suck if you don't have a glove, because not using a curling wand with clips kind of, you can burn your little fingertips, okay? But yeah, that's everything I got in my Boxyluxe and Boxycharm this month. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and click it right now. Clickety clickety. And I guess that's it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!